The Strategy Counts initiative is a learning lab transforming human services toward greater social impact. I'm Mike Mortel. I recently visited the Opportunity Alliance in Portland, Maine, and spoke with the organization's CEO, Mike Tarpinian.
Well, the Opportunity Alliance is really a culmination of 3 organizations coming together over the last 5 years.
After this latest merger, Mike Tarpinian needed a strategy to unify the boards of the former organizations and help them learn about each other's programs.
There are times when you focus so much on the staff and integration that you forget the board. And in this particular case, early on, our focus was so much on the staff that it became evident that we had a board that was made up of 13 from one organization and 11 from the other. And I went into a board meeting, did a typical report out on issues that we may be facing. And when I talked about Head Start and some of the challenges ahead, it became clear that half the room was not with me with regards to at least a superficial knowledge of what the issues may be. On the other hand, I talked about some of the Medicaid mental health issues that we were facing, and the other half of the room had this blank stare. And so I had a conversation with the chair of the board and said, I think we need to do some work very quickly on bringing the boards up to speed. And what we did was we over a 2-month period, with 2 board meetings and 6 additional, what I call learning sessions, had the board come and learn about the 50 programs. It was a tremendous commitment on the part of the board, but it was total immersion because I didn't have the luxury in this environment to introduce one program a month. At a board meeting, it would be 50 months later. And so we had a tremendous attendance record. Over 50% of the people attended at least half of them, and 70% of the board participated in almost all of them. And so it was something that has moved the dial at board meetings so that when critical decisions need to be made, at least there's some level of understanding of who we are